Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now look, this video is for go-getters. This video is for people that are ready to start making money online, ready to start earning money on a monthly recurring basis. All right, what I'm talking about is Nexus Rewards. Nexus Rewards, to me, is one of the most underrated online business opportunities out there right now. The earning potential is crazy. The ease of getting started with this opportunity is just incredible, right? So if you are one of them people who are like, yo, I really want to start making money online, like for real, I've been looking for something, right? I'm looking for a side hustle. I'm looking for something that could grow into a full-time income. Like, this is it. All right, this is it. So right now, I'm gonna let one of the owners of Nexus Rewards explain to you why you should jump on Nexus Rewards. Not yesterday, not tomorrow, but today. So after you get done watching this video, if you are that go-getter and ready to make money online, I'm sure you're gonna wanna jump on Nexus Rewards. And all you gotta do to do that, click that first link in the description and take action.
So if you're not excited about that, get excited about unique selling point number 7. And this one is really great. It's timing. 99.99% of the people on the planet have not heard about Nexus yet. Okay. The marketing system is only 3 weeks old. It's brand spanking new. And we got a couple of people that are really, really running with it. I was talking to Michael earlier. I know Lucy's doing some great things with it. Chris, and so many people are really doing some phenomenal. Charles doing some great things with this. Right now, though, the timing is you guys have the first mover's advantage. Imagine being early in a genesis of a company that's destined to be huge, and you're in before 1% of people even know about it, right? You have that first mover's advantage. I totally predict this. Every single marketer on the planet is going to discover Nexus. They're going to hear about it. You know, the same way we all know those household names of Amway, Herbalife, Mary Kay, and on and on and on and on. All those great multi-billion-dollar companies. Everybody knows that this will be a household word, not just for network marketers and marketers, but everybody on the planet who wants to pay less, right? How many people is that? A lot, right? Everybody on the planet who wants to keep more of their hard-earned money, they are going to discover Nexus Rewards. The only question is, who are they going to discover it from, right? It's either going to be us or it's going to be some future people who are coming in and stuff. Well, hopefully we get the future people, right? So let's do a summary on the unique selling points of Nexus Rewards. Number 1, you can make hundreds, you can make thousands without selling or recruiting. That does not exist in this industry. Unique selling point number 2, you can earn $34, up to $34 on free signups, people joining for free. That does not exist in the industry. Unique selling point number 3, there are some low-cost programs out there. It's certainly affordable to everyone, and I like that space. But with other programs, can you really make as much? Is the demand there for the product and stuff? Number 4 is our incredible compensation package. Listen, when you really understand this plan, you're not going to be able to sleep at night. I mean, it is crazy good. Number 5, and so important for duplication and long-term success, is having a marketing system that is plug and play. Our people enroll with us. They set up the apps, use the apps, right? You start getting some cash back. That's your story. But they can immediately, the minute they join, they can immediately share effective marketing system with somebody and get a sign up that quick, 5 minutes, 10 minutes after you join. And those people, 5 minutes, 10 minutes after they join, they can be sharing, and then their people can be sharing. So we have some super effective, I shared the numbers with you, marketing tools and resources. Really great stuff. We have the whole retention versus attrition thing. Okay. Most companies have a lot of attrition, people falling by the wayside, right? Here, people are sticking around. Super important, unique selling point. And of course, unique selling point number 7, is the timing and that whole first movers advantage that we all have right now. Okay. So you could look for years and never find anything this good. I know, because we did look for years and we didn't find anything remotely close to this. Okay. So this is a cool thing, right? Okay. So for you guests that are with us here tonight, what are your next steps? Real simple. Just get back to the person who referred you. Okay. Join Nexus. They'll get you a link. Join Nexus today. Get your cash back, right? We got $34 waiting for you the minute you join. And also lower your bills, right? You can be saving hundreds on your cell phone bill, hundreds on your internet bill, hundreds on your home insurance, your car insurance, your every monthly bill that you get, right? Plus groceries, all the prescription medications, everything out there. Lower your bills, right? Use the stuff. And next, use your Share Nexus Now link, that that Nexus marketing system. Get that out to people, right? Build a massive residual income, okay? I can tell you this, a year from now, you're going to have one of two thoughts. You're going to be thinking, I wish I would have done that, right? I wish I would, or I'm glad I did. Well, I hope you do, because I know this can work for you. On behalf of your sponsor, my brother and I would like to thank you so much for spending some time with us here tonight. We look forward to working with you. And that's the end of my presentation. Have a terrific night, everyone. Thanks so much for joining us.